right, so here's a little review of our probability. Let's see what we can do here. We have 20 gumballs. 6 are blue and the rest are pink. So let's do the math. We have our, 14 pink dudes. And the probability that she reaches in and grabs a blue one is 6 out of 20. And multiply it, then a pink one. Pink were 14, but you do not have 20 gumballs anymore. You only have 19. So that is the math that we are going to do after you multiply, reduce, blah, blah, blah. You get 21 over 95. Okay, so this one here is different. Now we're 3 blue ones in a row. So 6 out of 20, but now there's only 5, and there's only 19 total. And then there's only 4, and there's only 18 total. So you're going to do all that fun, awesome math of the world. And get that when you are done. So here we have a whole bunch of stuff going on here. So this is funny. No, awesome. Let's see. So here are all our different marbles, and what is the probability that it is red given that it's small? So we know it's small. So I don't even care about those. I reached in and I know I grabbed one of these 10 marbles. I just want to know what's the probability of being it red. So it's going to be 6 out of 10, which does reduce to 3 out of 5. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. He knows he grabbed a peanut one, so I don't care about any of that. Peanut, for sure. I have 20 of them. And I want to know the probability that it's blue. 4 is our options. And I then reduce. All right. Probability that it doesn't rain either day. So the chance of rain is 20 and 40. So not rain would be 80 and 60. And I want a probability of not rain and not rain. I multiply, I get 48%. What is the probability that it rains tomorrow? Sorry, rains tomorrow, but not the next day. So this is not, this is, and we multiply those and we get 12%. All right, so this one here, we are either playing tennis or water polo. And then, oh, let's see, we're 30% for tennis, which means it must be 70% for water polo. I don't know if you guys can hear that cricket, but I have a cricket in here and it's very loud. If we play tennis, we have a 40% of varsity, which means 60% not. If we play water polo, we have a 70% of varsity, woo, but 30% not. What is the probability that she will play for a varsity team next year? So this actual thing occurring is 30% times 40%, which is 12%. This thing occurring is this times this, because it's this and this, so 49%. But it could happen this way or this way, which is addition, which gives us our 61%. All right, so we have our next one of weights or treadmill. Weights injuring is 40%. Treadmill injuring is 60%, so that will be 60 and 40. The probability he runs and does not injure himself is 32%. So this times this is 32, that must be 80, because 8 times 4 is 32. And what are we looking for? The probability of lifting weights. So if this is 80, this is 20, so 20 is our answer.